welcome back to another episode of Ask Prashant. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini mixer grinder. So first I'm going to put this rechargeable battery into this plastic jar. Now I'm going to put this switch into the plastic jar. I already made a hole over here so I can put it. Now I'm gonna fix it tightly over here in this hole. So now I'm going to connect the wires. First I'm going to connect this wire. Now I'm going to connect these two wires to the DC motor. So I have already fixed the DC motor to the other plastic jar with the hot glue gun. So now I'm going to put this tin blade into the plastic jar with the DC motor. Now I'm going to fix these two jars with the hot glue gun. Now let's test our mini mixer grinder. So now let's test by putting food inside the mini mixer grinder. So we have chosen oats to put in the mini mixer grinder. Let's see if it grinds. So now I'm going to on the mini mixer grinder. And let me also put this cap so it doesn't burst out. See, it's mixing. So our food has grinded. Now let's pour it back in. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends. Bye.